Welcome back, future medicos. In the last video, we have been discussing about is NEET mandatory for medical admission in India. In this video, we are going to look at, are there any other entrance examinations other than NEET? Is NEET the only entrance examination? Do I need to write any other entrance examination if I am interested in MBBS? Do I need to write an entrance examination for, say, CMC Vellore? Does JIPMER need a separate entrance examination? Do I need to write a separate entrance examination for AIMS? How about COMET K? How about KEA, KCET, EMSET? So there are a lot of entrance examinations that used to happen in the previous years in the pre-NEET days. Now, do all these entrance examinations still exist? Do I need to prepare for them? Do I need to apply for them? A lot of these questions come up for candidates. Now, the answer to this question is no. You do not need to write any other entrance examination except NEET. Now, NEET is the only entrance examination, either it is for AIMS, either it is for JIPMER, CMC Vellore, COMET K colleges, Karnataka private colleges, Kerala private colleges, or wherever you want to apply. NEET is the only entrance examination. Now, are there any exceptions? Yes, slightly the exceptions. I won't say it's exceptions, but there are certain colleges which may require some additional tests in addition to NEET. But the numbers are very, very limited. Say, for example, AFMC Pune, Armed Forces Medical College Pune, they have additional tests in addition to NEET entrance examination. So the first level of shortlisting for AFMC Pune happens based on NEET. Then once you are selected, then you need to write a aptitude test, which is called as TOELR, Test of English and Logical Reasoning. In addition, you also need to go through something called Psychological Assessment Test, PAT, and then an interview. So AFMC Pune is the only college where a candidate with low NEET score, having all other criteria same, can still get a seat ahead of a high scoring graduate. Say, for example, if somebody have a 600 NEET score and another person have 700 NEET score, both of them might have been shortlisted for AFMC. But a person with 600 score can outscore the person with 700 in the TOELR and interview and still can get a seat. A person with 700 score might miss out. It is possible for AFMC Pune. So this is one special college where there are additional entrance tests in addition to NEET. NEET has a weightage of 72% in AFMC Pune. The TOELR or the aptitude test has a weightage of 8%, and the interview has a 20% weightage. So if you score well in the interview and the aptitude test, you still can offset your low score in your NEET, even though NEET has a very high weightage, 72% weightage. Are there any other colleges where I need to write entrance exam? I don't recall any other college except maybe like CMC Ludhiana. If you are a Christian candidate and if you are applying under the sponsorship category where you need to serve the college, that is service liability for 2 years, then you may need to write what is called as Bible test. But this is only for Christian candidates. Once again, the Bible test is not going to help you to change the rank. The Bible test is more of a qualifying exam only. As long as you pass the Bible test, that's okay. Only the NEET score will be used to rank the candidates. It's not like AFMC. Here, only the NEET score will determine your rank. But whether you go into the shortlist or not depends on the Bible test. You need to pass the Bible test. The score in the Bible test is not important. So except these two colleges, AFMC Pune and CMC Ludhiana, I don't recall any other college that requires some additional tests. Okay, that's to my knowledge. There may be some colleges, but I don't recall any. At least CMC Vellore doesn't use any other entrance examination, because this is one college regularly I get a question. CMC Vellore does not have any separate entrance exam. AIMS does not have any separate entrance exam. JIPMER does not have any separate entrance exam. Comet K colleges in Karnataka does not have any separate entrance exam. You do not need to write KCET or KEA entrance examinations if you are only interested in MBBS or BDS. If you are interested in engineering, of course, you need to write all those exams. I hope that clarifies the doubts in your minds. If you have any specific questions related to this topic, please leave your questions in the comments below. I will try to address them. Thank you. My best wishes to you. Bye bye.